There's a new trend blowing up on YouTube right now. VOX-style, paper cutout documentary videos that make any topic so engaging you can't stop watching. So here's the question. Without any heavy, expensive software, how are these creators pulling off such professional-looking documentaries? Today, I'm going to teach you this completely for free, using just Claude AI and Google's Gemini Omni Flash, without paying for a single tool, using just one master prompt. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open my Google Doc. You won't find this anywhere else. If you comment master prompt, I'll send you the link in the replies. This master prompt contains everything you need. Simply copy the entire prompt from top to bottom. Next, open Claude AI in your browser. As you can see, I'm using the free plan. Now, paste the master prompt into Claude AI and press enter. Claude AI will then ask you for the source material PDF. Go back to the Google Doc, click on Engine Prompt, and a PDF will open. Download that PDF, return to Claude AI, attach the file, type attached, and press enter. Now, Claude AI will show you 7 different niches to choose from. 1. Crime and documentary. 2. History. 3. Money and power. 4. Disaster and survival. 5. Mysteries and the unexplained. 6. Technology. 7. Sports. If your niche isn't listed here, you can simply type your own custom niche. Claude AI will then say, reply with a number or a niche. Since I want to create a crime and documentary video, I'll type 1 and press enter. Next, Claude AI will generate 10 topic ideas related to that niche. You can pick any of those topics, or if none of them fit your needs, you can simply enter your own custom topic. For this example, I'm choosing The Hunt for D.B. Cooper, 1971, so I'll type 1 again and press enter. After that, Claude AI will ask for your video's duration. Normally, a documentary should be at least 10 minutes long, but just to demonstrate the process, I'm setting it to 30 seconds. I'll type 30 seconds and press enter. And as you can see, within just a few seconds, Claude AI generates a complete 30-second documentary script for you. Now, Claude AI will display the following message. Type voice to generate the 11 Labs voiceover, or type proceed to skip straight to the beats. Here's what that means. If you type voice, Claude AI will generate a complete voiceover script that's ready to use with 11 Labs. If you type proceed, it will skip the voiceover step and extract every beat from your script instead. Each beat represents a separate scene, making it easy to create one image prompt for each scene. So first, I typed voice and pressed enter, and Claude AI generated the complete voiceover for me. Then I typed proceed and pressed enter. As you can see, Claude AI extracted every scene or beat from the script. In my case, the script contained 14 beats, which means I'll need to create a total of 14 image prompts, one for each beat. Now, Claude AI will display the following message. Type next to generate the image prompt.txt file for every beat. I simply typed next and pressed enter. A few moments later, Claude AI generated the image prompt.txt file. As you can see, all of our image prompts are now ready. Next, Claude AI will say, generate all images from the .txt file. When your images are ready, type next for the video prompt. Once I finished generating all the images, I typed next and pressed enter. As you can see, Claude AI generated a 10-second universal video prompt. However, using a 10-second prompt for every clip would make the final video much longer and consume a lot more AI credits. So instead, I asked Claude AI, please give me a 5-second universal video prompt. Then I pressed enter. Within seconds, Claude AI generated a 5-second universal video prompt. This is the single universal prompt you'll use with every image to turn it into a video clip. And with that, your video prompt is now completely ready. Now it's time to generate your voiceover. Go back to Claude AI and copy the voiceover script you just created. Next, open the 11 Labs website in your browser. Click on Text to Speech, then paste your voiceover script into the text box. Under the Model section, select 11v3. Now, before the very first line of your script, type Simply add an opening parenthesis, write whisper, and close it with a parenthesis. This helps add a more natural, emotional tone to your voiceover. After that, choose the voice you want to use. Once everything is set up, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Listen to it, and if you're happy with the result, go ahead and download it.
November 24th, 1971, Portland International Airport.
Now it's time to generate the images. First, go back to Claude AI and download the image prompt file. Next, open Google Flow and click on New Project. If you generate each image one by one, the whole process could take hours. To speed things up, open Chrome, search for the Zapiwala AI extension, open it, and click Add to Chrome to install it. As you can see, I've already installed it. Now, go back to Google Flow and click here to open the Zapiwala AI extension. Next, click this area and upload the image prompt file. As you can see, it contains a total of 14 image prompts. Now, turn Auto Download Generated Images on and turn Include Serial Number in File Name off. Once that's done, click Start Generation. Now, watch the magic happen. The extension will automatically generate each image one by one and save them directly to your computer. If any image fails to generate or shows an error, simply generate that one manually. Now it's time to turn the images into videos. First, go back to Claude AI and copy the universal 5-second video prompt. Next, open Google Flow and upload your first image. Now paste the universal video prompt into the prompt box. Then click on Settings. If it's currently set to image, switch it to video. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Next, choose OmniFlash as the model. Then set the duration to 6 seconds and keep the quantity set to 1. Once everything is configured, press Enter to start the generation. As you can see, the first video is now being generated. While it's processing, repeat the same steps for the rest of your images so all of your videos start generating as well. Just like this, all of your videos will be processed one by one. Now, let me play a few of the generated videos so you can see the results. Once everything looks good, simply download all of the videos. Now it's time to edit the video using CapCut. First, click Import and upload the audio we generated with 11 Labs. Then, drag the audio onto the timeline. Next, click Import again and add all of your video clips. After that, create a timeline and drag every clip into place. Now, increase the audio volume slightly if needed. Then, zoom in on the timeline to make editing more precise. Listen to the voiceover carefully and match each video clip to the part of the narration where it belongs. If the narration is longer than the clip, simply extend the clip's duration. If necessary, you can increase it up to 2 times so it stays perfectly synced with the voiceover. Continue adjusting every clip until the entire video is smoothly synchronized with the narration. Once everything is in place, you can add transition effects between clips. Feel free to use additional effects, animations, or other editing tools to make the video look more polished and professional. When you're satisfied with the final edit, click Export to render your video. If you found this video helpful, I have one small favor to ask. This is my new channel, so I'd really appreciate your support. If you don't support this channel, who will? Your subscribe, like, and comment mean a lot and help this channel grow. Just comment Master Prompt and I'll send you the link in the replies. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and don't forget to comment Master Prompt. Now let's check out the final result.
November 24th, 1971, Portland International Airport. A man in a dark suit and clip-on tie pays cash for a one-way ticket to Seattle. He gives the name Dan Cooper. Somewhere over Washington, he hands a note to a flight attendant. It says he has a bomb. He demands $200,000 and 4 parachutes. That night, he jumps into a freezing storm. The FBI searched for 45 years. The parachute has never been found.